for Sean Bismonte and Harry Bismonte. Please stand up. Kaway-kaway lang naman. Ayan, para naman makilala ang siblings. Alright, nasan yung isang brother? Is he inside? Ay, isa lang pala ko. Sean, Harry lang talaga. Bakit siya? Sean, palakpakan po natin, Daddy Herbert Bismonte. Yes naman, si Daddy. Alright. At syempre, hindi natin kakalimutan ang busy sa lahat. At syempre, ang puno kabalan, ever supportive, Mommy Anna Bismonte. Let's go, Mommy. There she is. Alright, there you go. And now, my dear ladies and gents, this is the moment we have all been waiting for. Can I ask everybody to please stand up? Tayo po tayong lahat. Let's go. Pwede po kayo mag-video or take a photo. It is my honor. A young woman. She will be legal tonight. Ladies and gents, a round of applause for our dearest Janelle Bismonte. Let's go, everybody. Wave your hands. Oh, wow. What a pretty lady. In her lovely, what do you call it, a purple or violet gown for this evening. There, wave your hands, everybody. Let's go. Yes, indeed, she's so stunning tonight. There you go. Say hi to everybody. Medyo mahiyain pala si Janelle. Okay, everybody, the count of 3. Let's all shout out loud. Happy birthday, Janelle! In 3, 2, 1, go! Happy birthday, Janelle! Let's give a big round of applause, everybody, for our debutante, our dearest Janelle. Hello, Janelle. How are you?
Holds a little hope for us. Feel maybe we might wanna settle down. Just
Let's do this. Take you home with me.
Hala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo llama la alegría cosa buena. Hala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena. Hala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo para la alegría cosa buena. Hala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena.
Hey, let's go. Energy.
Quinto,
Yeah.
quinto, dito gusto basta bingo. Bingo, magugulo parang bingo. Bingo, ano kaya mo? Ito kasi pupunan nakakita lang ng hinto. Hinto, kahit na wala pang hinto. 100% bawat bitaw ko. Hinto, ito kaya mo? Gusto makakita ng hinto.
Yeah. music, please.
I love it. Let's go! Follow niyo lang po si Janelle.
Mabay ka lang.
Wow! Yes, energy! Energy! Good! Kailangan kakagdaga.
Pag magtsatsaga, kung gustong gusto mo, sundan mo lang ako.
1, 2, 3, 4. Jumbo hot. Yan, ganda!
Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to?
Tawa sila man. Alalarin niyo po si Mago. Baka tumakas ang pressure ni Mago. Nakakayo naman.
Second verse for the hustlers.
Yes, thank you so much.
Hey, energy! 3, 2, 1.
Ay, may salamin! May salamin!
Let's go, Janelle! O, sabayan mo energy ni Ninong. O, diba? He is the first ever man and will always be the man in Janelle's life. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the ever-loving father of our dearest Janelle, Daddy Herbert Bismonte.
Ang tinuro ko ah!
All right, let's go, Daddy. Slow. Ay, okay, Jan. Slow lang yan. Huwag kayo mag-expect. Nakalago,
Saan kayo?
Took your heart. I did things to you only lovers would do in the dark. It made you a god. Priests, popes, and preachers would tell me I did wrong, but hey, it made a nigga flip. Now what do I say to make me exist? Oh, stranger. Still don't know my name. You still don't know my name. And I would die a slave, better right now. But you still don't know my name. Yeah. Wish you come over. Miss you, kiss you, and make believe. I'm dreaming of all of the possibilities. I'm kissing all over your body, my Nefertiti. And every time I think the planets are aligning, you're still so close, yet so far. Still don't know my name. You still don't know my name. And I would die a slave, better right now.
Everybody mas mabilis at mas malakas. Let's go! Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey! Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All right, Janelle, from the bottom of your heart, say your wish. Ayan, and once you're ready, you can now anytime blow your candle. All right.
But you still don't know my name. Yeah.
Evening. Oh, see? I know you. Such a pretty lady. All right, here you go. Wow. You look so nice.
Through the dark, through the storm, do I know I said before that it feels like home? They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I lost my mind. I don't care, I suppose crazy. We can live in a world that we decide. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, a brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world that gonna make. they can say I lost my mind. I don't care, so call us crazy. We can live in a world that we decide. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, a brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, never be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but you say you bring us along to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see, I close my eyes to see. You say night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make.
Usapan, bulong-bulungan kasama ka palagi, lagi na lang. Buong akala ko paano una nasakit ka na, pero di pa pala. Di pa lang, kuhang-kuha mo na ko, ang sweet mo pa. Sinong di manuloko, ayun pala. Ganyan ka rin naman sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko. Ako'y siya, pero di ka akin. May meaning ba ang pagyakap natin? Sure na ba na ako lang may naramdaman? Di na napigilan. Nagtatamaan ka, kahit malayo na. Ako ay pag nakikita ka, napipitig pa rin ang puso ko. Ikaw ay ang Ay, bahala mong tinatago bala. Walang babala, hindi mo sadya. Tumira ka sa'kin ng sobrang lala. Huwag kang gagalaw, taas ang kamay. Patay ka na. Saksa ng sama, nagkamaling akala. Di na para tayo nagpumasaksakan ng kapal. Ako'y napaniwala, dadalawa pala ang iyong mukha. Saksak sa puso, tulo ang dugo. Sa taas na walang kasing sama. Saksak sa puso, tulo ang dugo. Sa taas na walang kasing sama.
Taking it all for us. I'm taking it all. I'm taking it all for us. Oh, I'm doing it all for love. I'm doing it all. I'm doing it all for love.
Taking it all for us. Doing it all for love. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's in my system?
Climbing,
Money in my head.
pockets hella empty.
Mama making ends meet.
Making ends meet.
Working like a slave.
Mississippi, yeah.
Daddy ain't at home, no.
Father,
Gotta be a man.
Michael Corleone.
Do it for my homegrown.
Sisters, brothers,
Do it for the fam.
yeah. Still I'm loving. Hey! Just for your love, yeah. Give you the world. Mona Lisa smile.
Hey! And I'll do 25 tonight. If it makes me a king.
A star in your eyes.
Guilty, innocent, my love is imminent. I'm giving it, no need for resistance. This place I don't this is the
Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever young. Someone like water, someone like the heat. Someone a melody, someone like me. Someone like the older begun. Why don't you stay young? It's so hard to get on without a cause. I don't wanna perish like a fading horse. You look like diamonds in the sun, and diamonds are forever. Living up ending in the same it's long. Turn golden faces into the song. Praising the livers, we gotta get you the music playing. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever, forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever, forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever?
Gusto ko lang po ulit magpasalamat sa inyong lahat sa pagpunta ngayon sa importanteng araw ko ngayon para i-celebrate kasama ako at kayo. And sa effort nyo and pag-make ng time para pumunta ngayon. And also sa mga party committee, mga suppliers that make this event successful. And most especially to my parents for making this event happen. And of course, kay God for another year full of blessings. So continue to enjoy this life.
Happy birthday, Janelle!
Yung masasabi ko pala dito sa occasion na to is honestly magastos, yung una magastos nga. But it's worth it naman. Natupad namin yung wish ni Janelle kung ano yung gusto niya. Ayun, so sana marami pang mga sa journey niya, next journey, kung ano pa yung mga gusto niyang sa buhay niya is matupad sa lahat. Tapos yung ibig sabihin pala na itong debut is nag-research ako eh. Maraming meaning din pala kaya sineselebrate natin. So pwede kong i-state kung ano yung meaning ng debut. It's not just an evening of entertainment and food. It is an opportunity for us as a parents to express our life and give advice to our daughter, Janelle. So this is the celebration to provide guidance and inspiration. It marks also yung formal introduction sa society. That's why there's a good reason to celebrate yung milestone, itong debut party. So nag-marks yung girl's transition to womanhood from early childhood niya, so magiging yun, womanhood nga yung ibig sabihin. So it is an opportunity for us to express our love and give advice to our daughter Janelle. It also highlights the importance of tradition. So it's an opportunity for the debutante to feel like a princess. So yun, Janelle, so happy 18th birthday for you, and more birthday to come. Wishing you good health and happiness. Focus on your career. Huwag ka munang magpapa-apekto sa ibang tao, and focus lang sa studies, and good luck.
Janelle, happy 18th birthday. Ngayong 18th birthday mo, maraming pagbabago na magaganap. Ito pa ay start pa lang ng yung journey as an adult. So, ang prayer lang namin ng papa mo is hindi ka naman naging pasaway na anak. So, we are very proud sa mga achievements mo, lalo na ngayon, mas nag-shine ka ngayong lumipat ka ng school. So, continue mo lang yan. Kung ano man yung mga plans and programs mo sa career mo, sa life mo, nandito lang kami ng papa mo, ng kapatid mo, all the way, tutulungan ka namin, i-guide ka namin. And ang pinaka-importante, maging wise ka sa lahat ng decisions making mo, lalong-lalo na maganda ka anak, sigurado maraming maliligaw sa'yo. So, start na to ng journey. So, sana, lagi namin sinasabi ni papa mo, huwag kang magsisikret. Kung may manliligaw man, dapat pumunta sa bahay at sana magtapos muna ng pag-aaral because along the way, pag nakatapos ka, marami kang mamimit, marami kang chance na makapili ng best partner in the future. So, happy birthday anak! We love you!